First off, I want to thank you for your interest in our Seller's Guide. My name is Hall Smith, and my wife Teresa and I are realtors here in the Oklahoma City Metro. We have sold tens of millions of dollars of homes over the years and worked with many for sale by owners. Some transactions were great, others were pretty rough to say the least. To help everyone involved in a for sale by owner transaction, we developed this kit to help you get your home sold as smoothly as possible for both you, the buyers, and everyone involved in the transaction. As you can see from our website, we do a lot for our for sale by owner clients just to give them the best chance of selling their home on their own. Our for sale by owner kit is 28 pages of tips, tricks, and strategies to help you on your journey. Here's a brief overview of what's included in the for sale by owner kit. We're going to discuss how to market your home, the most effective strategies to market it, the platforms to use, should I do an open house, how to prepare your home for listing and showings, should you make repairs or offer a credit at closing, people to call if you need something repaired or replaced, your curb appeal, pricing strategies, negotiating strategies, how to deal with realtors, and an important one, how not to get sued. Why do we do this? Well, you can absolutely sell your home on your own, and our program will guide you and give you the resources to do just that. Nothing makes a transaction go smoother than an informed, knowledgeable seller. But if it becomes either too much, too stressful, too confusing, too time-consuming, or a combination of all those, we hope you would give us the opportunity to interview for the job to list your house. If you do go with us, we will credit the cost of this for sale by owner kit back to you at closing, so you really have nothing to lose. Just click on the Get Started button and select the For Sale by Owner kit and any other services you feel you need to help sell your home. As always, reach out to us with any questions. Thank you.